Okay, I'm gonna try to read this little passage because someone asked for some ASMR, but I'm not gonna do a whole ass fucking video of just 10-minute video of me doing ASMR. I don't think that's the vibe, but I'ma read this. For many years, we spent the kids' fall breaks or spring breaks in Gontalene, Tennessee. We would hike, shop, play mini golf, and ride up to the top of the mountains in a cable car. Oh, hey Siri, play cable car. By the freight. But our favorite activities was enjoying the little Pigeon River vibes, same. We stayed in our favorite older motel that had balconies overlooking the river. Ooh. The motel office and a storage shed that held wood for the in-room fireplaces backed up to the Forstead Mountain. One day, as we were walking back to our room, we noticed something lumbering down the hill between the office and the woodshed. It was a small black bear. We froze, watching the cute creatures as it made its way to the parking lot. It moved along one row, sniffing around the cars, then ambled across the parking lot to the row of cars in front of our building. As the bear got closer, we discovered it wasn't as small as we had thought. At each vehicle, it would raise up on its back paws and look inside. Dang, bro, that's sick. Probably searching for food. Oh. We were so enthralled witnessing nature up close that we didn't even think of moving safely inside our room until the moment felt a little scary. What a thrill it had been, though. I hadn't even planned for that bit of fun. For our vacation, I did research to try to buy tickets and make reservations well ahead of time, but sometimes God blesses us beyond what we can imagine. That exciting bear sighting ended up being the most memorable part of the trip for all of us, and it was just a taste of the abundance that God has in store for his followers. For the beauty of the earth, for the glory of the skies, for the love which from our birth over and around us lies. Lord of all, to thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise, more than we can plan or imagine. More than we can plan or imagine. This is actually a crazy little scripture, whatever, little thing right now for me, because I've been planning so much, even in my notebook, that I put away here because I felt I shouldn't have been showing that. It's not a usual part of my thing. It was me planning of my day, and bro, God, it's just, that's just crazy, bro. Even more than we can plan, even more. God, bro, that's life, that's God, that's the best life, that's God, that's power, that's power, that's power.
Hi, guys.